Hello my viewers and channel followers. Today I will show you how to reduce video file size without losing video quality. I will use FFmpeg to compress videos for free and fast. FFmpeg is a free tool and very popular. I have an input.mp4 file that is over 28 MB in size. I will try to reduce this file today and show you the final result. This is a quick way to reduce the size of a video file with a simple command. Also, the process is much faster than with other video tools I've worked with before. First I will need to open a command prompt window through which I will call the FFmpeg program specifying the necessary command parameters. Next, you need to call the FFmpeg program and specify the following parameters: FFmpeg I input.mp4 c vlibx 264 crf30 output.mp4. Next, the video compression process is complete and the output.mp4 file is created. The output.mp4 file size is a little over 6 MB, but the original input file was over 28 MB. As you can see, there is a big difference.